everyone, this is Soumya. Today I am going to present one interesting topic. All living organisms on the earth need food for their survival. Either it may be humans or animals or microbes or plants. All need food for their survival on the earth. And now I am going to present about plants. How the plants are going to prepare their food. You may say plants are autotrophs. All plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs means they can prepare their food on their own. Auto means self. They can prepare their food on their own. But how? How they can prepare their food on their own? They cannot move from one place to another place. But still how they can prepare? Through the process photosynthesis. So the plant prepare their food through the process photosynthesis. Now imagine you want to prepare kesari. So how you can prepare kesari? If you want to complete that recipe, you need certain ingredients. You need certain raw materials to complete that recipe, to prepare that recipe, such as rava, water, sugar, ghee, cashew nuts, dry grapes, cardamom. So all these ingredients are required to prepare yummy kesari. So the same way, even though plants can prepare their own food, they can prepare their food on their own, they need certain raw materials. Okay, so we know that it is preparing their food through the process photosynthesis, and it needs some raw materials. Let us see what are all those raw materials. Number one, it is carbon dioxide. So atmosphere, it is having the air. Okay, so these air, it will be having the component which is required for the plants to prepare their food. Okay, that is carbon dioxide. Air is composed of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and also it will be having carbon dioxide and other gases in traces amount. So now the atmosphere is having the carbon dioxide, which is a raw material for the plant to prepare their food. Okay, now how that carbon dioxide will be entering into the plant? So if you see, the plant means all the plants will be bearing leaves. Okay, so at the beneath the leaf, backside of the leaf, small openings, tiny pores will be present, small holes will be present, which is microscopic in nature. It means you cannot see through your naked eyes. Through the microscopes only you can view that holes. Okay, so that tiny holes, tiny pores are named as stomata. Through that stomata only the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere will be entering inside. Okay, so now number one, carbon dioxide, it is required, it is a raw material which is present in the atmosphere. It enters the plant through the stomatal pore, through the tiny hole which is known as stomata. And next, water. So we will be regularly watering the plants, and also rain is also there, so that the available water will be required water will be availed by the plant. So soil, land will be having water. Through the roots, the water will be absorbed and it will be reaching the plant parts. Okay, so now water is also ready, carbon dioxide is ready, water is ready. And next is the important thing, sunlight. Okay, so sunlight, it is present in the environment. Okay, it is a nature's gift, it is present in the environment. So carbon dioxide, it will be entering the plant through the stomatal pore. So water will be entering through the roots. The roots will be absorbing water and will be entering the plants. And in environment, sunlight is present. How the sunlight will be entering inside the plant? Okay, so it is through the component, through the pigment named as chlorophyll. You may see most of the leaves are green in color. Why? So because of the presence of the chlorophyll pigment. This chlorophyll pigment makes the leaves green in color. So its function is not only making the leaf green in color, but also it is having one other important function, to trap the sunlight from the environment for their food preparation. So in the environment, sunlight is present. So that sunlight, how it will be entering inside the plant means through the because of this chlorophyll pigment, it will be trapping the sunlight. Okay, so now all the raw materials are ready. Carbon dioxide is ready, water is ready, and sunlight, which is trapped by the chlorophyll pigment. So everything is ready. So with all these things, it will be combined and the food will be prepared, which is nothing but the glucose. Okay, so the plant, with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll, it will be preparing their food known as glucose. Okay, so along with the food preparation, some byproduct is also will also be released, such as oxygen and water, which is not required for the plant. It will be released out. So this is the process. This is how the plant prepare their food.